Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, November 20th, 2018. Well, we have a lot going on over the next 48 hours, followed by a very frigid Thanksgiving, probably one of the coldest ones I've forecasted for in a very long time, and in the history books it could actually break some records as well. But as you know, it's not a broken record until it's actually broken, so we'll see whether that happens. But the forecast pans out, well, it probably will. So let's dive into this forecast. For this morning, we have an area of low pressure to the south of Long Island. As it's moving away, we have winds starting to back to the northwest, around 5 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to 20 miles per hour at times. We do have some showers organizing over portions of Connecticut and Long Island. What's happening is that our low pressure system is starting to intensify. And so as that is happening, we're seeing the precipitation shield start to organize. Showers redeveloping over New Jersey, over New York City Metro, along portions of the Philadelphia Metro, and of course steadier rain over the east end of Long Island and the eastern half of Connecticut. We have another batch of rain and snow showers that's organizing. That's part of what we call the polar shortwave that's starting to come into this storm. So all of this is starting to organize. It's going to lead to a few scattered showers lingering on through the morning hours, clearing out towards the afternoon as this low pressure system heads up towards the Gulf of Maine and drops some pretty significant snow, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of snow over portions of central New England on up through northern Maine. Certainly a nice little snowstorm for the Gulf of Maine there. But for us, it's just a few showers, maybe a little bit of light snow over the Poconos through the Hudson River Valley in northern Connecticut that could produce about an inch or so of accumulation in some spots, but overall not a major storm for us this time. On the latest visible satellite picture, you see our low pressure system is organizing. The canopy is starting to organize, and as you can see, for much of the day, we're going to be dealing with basically broken to overcast cloud cover throughout the day today as this low pressure system gets its act together. On the latest surface map, what's basically happening is that this low pressure system starts to consolidate with this low pressure system. As they organize, this cold front will basically disintegrate and fall into the storm and lead to rapid intensification. While that's happening, it will start to pull away and exit into the Gulf of Maine. Meanwhile, this cold front and this low pressure system is an Arctic cold front, right from Siberia, heading right towards our neck of the woods, just in time for Thanksgiving. And it's going to be moving through tomorrow afternoon and evening, and you're going to know it, because when that cold front moves through, not only will temperatures crash, but also there will be in some locations a nice line of snow squalls possible with this cold front. Think of it like a thunderstorm, but with snow. So that's something that we're definitely going to watch out for as it moves through tomorrow afternoon and evening. I wouldn't even be surprised. I'm going to throw this out there. I would not be surprised if we see some ocean effect snow over Long Island as the initial cold air builds in. That's how impressive this cold air mass is going to be. So around the Long Island Sound, maybe on the north end side of Long Island, don't be surprised if we get a few bands of snow trying to develop for tomorrow evening. I'll be keeping an eye on that, seeing if that takes place. But the potential is certainly there to watch out for. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, our low pressure system pulls away, scattered rain and snow showers give way to broken to overcast cloud cover, temperatures basically holding in the upper 40s to lower 50s. For tonight, our storm continues to pull away. Look for scattered to broken cloud cover with lows tomorrow in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Now tomorrow afternoon, our cold front will be moving through. Ahead of the cold front, look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. Not going to feel too bad out there tomorrow morning, actually, with temperatures rising quickly through the 40s. You might need a bit of a coat, but not too bad, right? No. Get your heavy coat, get your scarf, because when this cold front moves through, temperatures are going to free fall through the 30s and into the 20s. Lows by Thanksgiving morning will be in the single digits, teens, and lower 20s. So that's the type of cold air that we're going to be dealing with. When this cold front moves through, look for the potential for a few snow squalls, some snow showers, and some lingering snow showers after the cold front exits with some cold air. And you could see a snow shower build in from Lake Ontario, kind of dropping in through the Hudson River Valley, northern Connecticut. The Poconos could see some snow showers from that lake effect snow band It's not going to last long, but it is happening during one of the busiest travel days of the year. And we've already seen what can happen when you just get a little bit of snow in a busy traffic day. So definitely be prepared for that Arctic cold front. Basically, you're looking at a passage between 2 and 8 p.m. throughout the region from west to east. So definitely be prepared for that. On Thanksgiving, high pressure and complete control is going to be frigid. Absolutely cold. If you're going to the Macy Day Parade, I would strongly suggest getting scarves, hats, bundling up. Temperatures for lows will be in the single digits to lower teens over the interior, mid-teens to lower 20s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid-20s throughout the region. The good news is that with the high pressure system building in, winds will be lightening around 5 miles per hour. So that's certainly some good news, 5 to 10 miles per hour as we head towards the afternoon hours. But definitely bundle up because that wind chill is going to be an issue for the Macy Day Parade. So definitely be prepared for that. On Friday, high pressure moves right over the region with clear skies, still frigid out there, with lows in the single digits to lower teens over the interior, mid to upper teens along the coast, few 20s in Long Island. Look for high temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. On Saturday, high pressure starts to leave. Look for lows in the lower to mid 20s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. Clouds will increase as a storm along the southeast coast organizes and lifts northward with periods of rain on Sunday. Look for lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the mid 50s. On Monday, another low pressure system will approach with showers developing in the evening. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And on Tuesday, that low pressure system continues to lift through the region with periods of rain through the morning. Look for lows in the upper 30s. Look for highs in the upper 40s with rain exiting and clearing skies towards the evening. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And as always, stay safe out there.